What's up everybody, Tom from DCIV, and today I'm with Mr. Smith. Got some drones. We're again at the vuilnisbelt. I'm gonna rip some shit. Let's go. Oh yeah, and today I brought my beeper, so I'm not gonna look for the drone anymore. Or at least not so long.
Believe me, that is the wickedest sound that play, and it is the new celebrity. Along with all massive and all cool lineup, them can't get me out. When it comes to championship, is we have it. And when it comes to dignitary, oh God, we're not talking about the business. We are very versatile, and when it comes to sound, you can't pass we, because we have done cross the border already and all them kind of thing there. Step up! Well, it is a weeping and a mourning and a gnashing of teeth. It is a weeping and a mourning and a gnashing of teeth. It is a when it comes to my sound, which is the champion sound. Believe.
This Chinese stuff is sick.
It is a weeping and a mourning and a gnashing of teeth. It is a weeping and a mourning and a gnashing of teeth. It is a when it comes to my sound, which is the champion sound. Believe.
Okay. Okay.
Believe me, that is the wickedest sound that play, and it is the new celebrity. Along with all massive and all cool lineup, them can't get me out. Believe me. Listen.
Okay.
So the bell shaft got broken off, flew away, and the motor hit the grass and probably caused some short wires. My EC was burned and the wires are burned, so that's concluded for this session. I'm gonna fix it. Demibot did great, no damage whatsoever to the frame. Really like the frame, so thanks for today's flying, Robert, and see you guys next time.
It is a weeping and a mourning and a